Keeping a regular tab on day-to-day business operations can be really messy and time-consuming, especially when there are a lot of internal teams and field workforce involved. That's why you should be using Effort. It's a collaborative platform to help transform all your business operations digitally. The configurator is broadly used by the decision makers, team leads, and managers to design a process flow that works best for execution. The web app, or the Effort mobile application, is used by the employees and internal teams to navigate through the process that their supervisors earlier designed. Reports Manager is used by the leadership teams as a monitoring tool to check the status of the ongoing projects, day-to-day activities, target versus achievements, and productivity of employees. The integrator is used by the developers of the company to make their existing systems to communicate with the platform in order to push and pull data from each other. Now let's create our first project, starting with the form builder. All you have to do is give a title to your form and start dragging and dropping the fields you need. It is the most advanced form builder that gives you a wide range of parameters to choose from, so you can have the flexibility to collect all the information that you will need from your employees, leads, clients, or even vendors. If you wish to change the label of the field, it's that easy. You can change the type or even make it a barcode field to scan through. All that is left to do now is to sit back, publish it, and save. You can also generate a public link and use it for surveys or online data collections. You just have to copy the link and share it across. As you can see, you can submit the form by 1, accessing the link you just copied, 2, by the web app, or 3, from the mobile application as per your convenience. Any which ways the data is secured and saved to your cloud and can be accessed from anywhere at any time. Now let's go back and design a process flow for our project. Let's start by calling this lead management and add desired action items as required. In this case, we have lead generation, follow-ups, and closure. For each action, we are picking the form template we earlier designed. Once we have a basic structure, we can go ahead and save it. Now let's edit to design the flow of our action items. For this particular project, the start action is lead generation and the end is the closure of the deal. Further, we can limit the next actions to your organizational preferences. Once we have that, we can directly auto-assign these action items to your employees directly from here. Here, we are assigning the lead generation process to our marketing team, follow-up process to the inside sales team, and lastly the closure process to the sales team. As you save the process flow, the work details would be sent to the employees of these particular teams with either inbuilt notifications, alerts, SMS, or email. Other than these, you can also create lists, bulk import or bulk delete them, create employee groups, make chat groups for internal communication, design an escalation matrix, set up an approval process, bulk import or bulk disable employees, create custom calendars with defined working hours, design custom entity activities, create customer types, bulk import and bulk delete customers, get organizational stats, group your works, set up territories and area groups to make route plans, personalize fonts, logos, and even use it for employee attendance and leave management.
We currently have 50 plus workflows configured, and 150 plus companies using these processes.
In a true sense, it is one app for complete digital transformation.